Good morning everyone, this is Gagan, Director iQOO India, and I welcome all of you to today's Tech Mini Masterclass. As you can see, I'm reporting live from home and I hope you guys are doing well at home as well. And today I'm going to share my set of learnings and tips and tricks on how to manage your time properly and how to plan your day better. And to achieve that, there are only two basic steps. Yes, two basic steps. The first thing is that how do you keep the noises away? For that, I recommend you to buy an excellent pair of noise cancellation earphones. I prefer using Bose QC2. They are awesome and they really help. Also, the second step is that how do you track your time? Again, I prefer using a combination of Google Task and Microsoft OneNote to track all the meeting tasks and reminders, and it's very important to plan your day at least a day in advance. And I prefer using OneNote in those cases where I need to share detailed notes with my team, but do plan your day a day in advance at least. With that being said, I also like to read. For that, I prefer either using my Amazon Kindle, the physical Amazon Kindle, or Google Play Books on my phone itself. That also helps, but it's also very important that how do you start your day. In my case, I prefer doing some light exercise in the morning, and right now I'm using Cult and Fantastic apps. Both of them are great. You can find which one do you like on Google Play Store itself. There are a lot of apps, but if you do exercise in the morning, it keeps you charged up during the day and keeps you active as well. So with that being said, which devices do I use? So basically I use a combination of three devices. The first one is my iQOO 3, the one in orange color. It has Snapdragon 865, so it's a super fast smartphone. I can do most of the stuff, almost 80 to 90% of things on the phone itself. Be it attending meeting, sending feedback, checking documents, editing presentation, I can do all on my Snapdragon 865 enabled phone. And at times I need to look at the bigger screen also, so in those cases I prefer using my iPad with Apple Pencil. In this case I prefer using Apple Pencil when I need to save time on typing and I can share the feedback right away on the document itself through iPad. In rare cases when I'm working on very complex presentation and documents, then in those cases I prefer using my MacBook Air, but it's only less than 10% of the time these days. 80% of the time my iQOO 3 is good enough for me in most of the cases. With that being said, I also like to read, and as I told you, and I also like to learn. Just like Kindle, I also have enrolled myself in a number of courses on LinkedIn Learning and Coursera. Along with that, I also check Udemy from time to time, to learn something new. So all of these things help me in learning something new, getting better, and how to plan my time even in more efficient manner. And I hope you like the video, and do let me know to how even I can improve my day as well in terms of planning and efficiency. You can comment on this thread, on this video, and I would love to read that. So thanks for your time, guys. I really appreciate that. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.